Hello and welcome to our educational video on using date, time, and time formulas. In this unit, we'll explore the intricacies of managing time-based data in Salesforce. By the end of this video, you'll be adept at working with date, time, and time types, and you'll have the skills to create powerful formulas. Let's dive in. Let's begin with a fundamental understanding. Date and time fields are indispensable for managing organizational data. Whether it's the birth date of a contact, the age of a case, or the date and time an account was created. Formulas empower you to display the current date or time and calculate differences between dates or times. For added versatility, cross-object formulas allow you to display data from one object on a different object. This can be particularly useful for showing related information, enhancing the visibility of key details across your Salesforce organization. Now, let's talk about how date and time values are represented. A date value stores the year, month, and day, while a time value includes the year, month, day, and time in GMT. It's crucial to keep time zone conflicts in mind when working with time values to ensure accurate calculations. Performing mathematical operations on time values involves subtraction in milliseconds. The result is always positive, representing the elapsed time between two values using a 24-hour clock. Salesforce provides several functions and operators to simplify working with date, time, and time values. Let's walk through some real-world examples. Here are some examples of date value, time value, and time value. To find the current day as a date value, use today. To find the current moment as a time value, use now. These functions are useful for finding dates in the future or past, and to get the current time, use the time now function. Additional functions like hour, minute, seconds, and milliseconds provide granularity in your calculations. Now let's put our knowledge to the test. You can use date, time, and time types in formulas to find the number of days between two dates, add business days using case, and perform various math operations on time values. Let's explore practical examples. Case is useful for conditional statements that have many possible outcomes. Although you can usually do the same thing with nested if statements, case makes complicated formulas easier to read and understand. However, as with any powerful tool, there are common errors to be aware of. Converting between date, time, and time types requires precision. Additionally, be mindful of leap years and invalid dates to avoid unexpected errors in your formulas. To initiate the customization process, head to Setup and use the Quick Find box to locate and access the Object Manager. In the Object Manager, click on Account. Then go to Fields and Relationships and select New to create our custom formula field. Choose Formula as the field type and click Next to continue with our customization. In the Field Label section, name our field Future Date. The field name will automatically populate. Now for the formula return type, select Date and click Next. Write the formula to get a date 3 days after today's. Then click Next. On the field security page, click Next again, and then confidently click Save to finalize your formula. Great job! You've successfully configured a future date formula field in Salesforce. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Salesforce customization tips. Check out the description below to connect with us. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.